Hey guys, I'm Coach Ty with MuscleWiki. This is Coach Kickboxing, Boxing Extraordinaire Andrea, and we're doing the cable pushdown today. So the cable pushdown, what does it train? Primarily, of course, the triceps, but mainly the lateral head of your triceps, and to a lesser degree, the long head of the triceps. So again, the lateral head is lateral, so the outside of the body, and then the long head is that piece of your tricep you see if you make a double bicep from the front. So the triceps are a predominantly fast twitch muscle, meaning you need to train with low to medium amounts of reps for your triceps pretty much across the board. So with this one in particular, since it's an isolation move and you only have elbow movement happening and you shouldn't have joint movement happening anywhere else, and we'll talk a little bit more about that here in a second. But since it's an isolation move, I would say roughly 6 to 10 reps on a tricep pushdown for the best results for the triceps in particular. The form on the tricep pushdown. So first thing you want to do is whatever cable you have at your gym, you want to make sure it is pulled all the way as high as possible. Yep, there we go. Okay, and then you're going to grab your attachment. Now you can use any of several different attachments, and we'll talk a little bit more. I'll give you some options on which attachments you can use. But for the sake of this demonstration, we're using the rope. So go ahead and grab that rope. And then you're going to perform a bent arm pullover into position. Kick your butt back a little bit. Now the reason I like to kick the butt back slightly is it gives you a little more room to extend the elbows. So from there you want to fully extend the elbows and then fully flex. Now make sure this part of your arm, let's keep on going, let's go to 10, that's 2. This upper part of your arm is not moving. If this upper part of your arm starts to move, you're going to begin to recruit your lats. We don't want to turn this into an actual pullover. So make sure your upper arm stays glued at your side. Another thing to look for is make sure you don't start as you're fatiguing, rounding your upper back to get on top of the weight. It's a very common tendency. Your central nervous system is very smart, and it also understands that you're stronger pushing down with your pecs and your anterior delts involved than you are with just pure tricep. So again, make sure you keep the shoulder blades pulled back and that upper arm glued to the side. How many was that? That was 10. That was 10? Yeah. You sure? You're good, you're good. All right, and then back, and then you're all done. That's a tricep push down, and